In this lesson, you will learn about CraftExpress Workspace Flat Press. A flat press can be used to apply sublimation, heat transfer vinyl, and DTF prints to various flat products. By the end of the lesson, you will create your first sublimation project using the flat press. Let's review the materials and products we will need. For this project, we will need thermal tape and a tape dispenser, a drawstring bag, lint roller, and Workspace Flat Press. Using Canva, we will design the template. Select Custom Size at the corner of the banner. Change the measurements to inches and input the size of your sublimation paper. In this case, we will set the width to 11 inches and the height to 8.5 inches. Select Create New Design. Now we're ready to input the images for our drawstring bag. Go over to Elements and type School Pencil Monogram. Select See All and pick the monogram you wish to use. Click on the corner of the image and drag it out to make it bigger. We're sizing this one to 9 inches by 7.1. We want to make sure we leave a border around the monogram. Drag it to center the image on your paper. Then, let's go over to the left side of the panel and select text to input a name. Drag the text box in the center and type the name. On the top, we're going to choose a font to change the font style. Let's make this font a little bit larger. We can also use the corners to expand it and center the image. Now let's save it. Hit Share on the right corner of your screen. Then select Download. Change the file type to PDF print. Select Flatten PDF and save download settings. Then click Download. I'm going to open PrintMate since I'm using a Sawgrass printer. Drag the design over to PrintMate. Make sure that the sizing is correct and you have selected Mirror. Next, we're going to change the product to polyester. Click on Color Management and change it to Vibrant, then select Print. Now that we have printed our design, we will set the time and temperature on the press. Turn the press on with the switch located on the right side of the press, and select Stop on the press, then select Set. Using the arrows, set the temperature at 385 degrees Fahrenheit. Select Set again to save settings, and using the arrows, set the time to 45 seconds. Then select Set again to save the settings. While we wait for the press to heat up, we can now prep the drawstring bag. To prep the drawstring bag, take the lint roller and roll it across the bag. Remove all the lint and debris that are on it. Next, we're going to place it in the press and preheat it at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 seconds. This will ensure that the moisture has been removed and we are ready to press it. Next step is to trim around the design. It is better to use your fingernails and tear around the edges. This will prevent the lines from embossing on our fabric. Now we're ready to tape it. Take your tape and tape all along the 4 sides of your paper. I like to place about 2 pieces of tape on each side. Now let's take it over to our press and press it. We're pressing it at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. When the time is up, you will hear a beeping sound. Remove the drawstring bag and remove the paper from your bag immediately. Look how beautiful these colors turned out. Congratulations on completing your very first project using the Workspace Flat Press. Check out the next video to learn more about the various presses available for sublimation.